Okay, let us see question number 27 on JEE 2021 questions only. Let A be a 3 by 3 matrix with the determinant A is equal to 4. That means see, this matrix determinant they have given, but we don't know elements inside. 3 by 3 means we cannot predict it. Okay. Let Ri denote ith row of a matrix. If matrix B is obtained by performing the operation R2 is changing to R2 plus 5 R3. That means these are rows. Row only they are mentioning. Okay. On 2A, this is very important. This is not on A. This is on 2A. Then what is the value of determinant B? Like they are asking. Okay. Okay. Now see. First let me write A. Why? Because see, unless you write A, we cannot proceed further. Okay. See what I want to write. First I will write A matrix only. See, matrix A I will take like this. You see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. This is matrix A. Okay. Now see, now I am taking 2A. 2A is equal to 2A, 2D, 2G, 2B, 2C, 2E, 2F, 2H, 2I. Understand this? Okay. Now see, operation is on determinants, but first you write this matrix. Okay. Now determinant means what you are going to write? See, you have to keep determinant both sides. Okay. Now see, A be a 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of A is, this determinant of A is 4. That means see, this is also I am writing here. See, determinant of A is equal to 4. See, I am not writing A into EI minus HF minus B into DI minus GF plus C into DH minus G. I am not writing. First I am writing simply determinant of A is equal to this one. But you know what is this matrix? If you want to write this determinant or else I will write like this. You see, determinant of A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. See, if you put like bracket matrix, if you put like modulus, determinant. Okay. Determinant A also I have written. Now come back. Now come back. Now you see, I want to write determinant 2A. See how I am writing. Determinant of 2A. See what will happen. Determinant of 2A is equal to. See, from here 2 I have taken. From here 2 I have taken. From here 2 I have taken. Then again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Is it okay? Determinant of 2A. What will happen is that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 8 times of determinant of A. 8 times of determinant of A. Okay. What is this? 8 times of determinant A value 4 they have given into 4. That is equal to 32. See, this value is determinant of 2A. But they are not asking 2A, they are asking determinant of B. How I am changing determinant of B? Observe carefully. See, for determinant of B, this operation you have to perform. See, determinant of B is equal to, implies R2 is changing. What is the change? 2R2 plus 5R3. Okay? The change is 2R2 plus 5R3. See how I am writing. Observe carefully this determinant. Determinant I am keeping here. See, is there any change in R1 and R3? No. That means R1 you first of all write simply. What is this? This determinant is 2A determinant. 2A determinant is this one. See, this is actually matrix, but you have to keep in this in the manner. Or else you can write like this also. Outside you keep 8 and the determinant is simply you keep. Okay, that means see how I am writing. 8 times of determinant A I am writing. How I am writing? You see, R1 is there any change? No. Then you write R1 A, B, C. R2, yes, R2 is there. R2 is changing. What is the change? 2 times of R2, 2D plus 5 times of R3, 5G. Okay? Then go for B. Same, 2 times of E plus 5 times of H. Then go for C. 2 times of F plus 5 times of I. Is there any change in R3? No. Then you keep G, H, I same. Okay, now see, this is determinant B. Determinant we can split. How I am splitting, you observe carefully. 8 times of, see how I am splitting. A 2D G. A 2D G. B 2E H. C 2F I. Plus is there, plus. Again you keep 8. Why? Because 8 is common. This time A 5G G. A 5G G. B 5H H. B 5H H. C 5I I. C 5I I. Okay? Okay, now see. From second row 2 I can take common. 8 into 2, 16. Determinant of B is equal to 8 into 2, 16. If I take 8 into 2, automatically A, B, C, D, E, F, this will be there. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay? 8 into 2, 16 is there. Okay, now see. From here, I will take 5 as common. I will take common. Okay, see, plus 8 times into 5. This is also A, B, C, G, H, I, G, H, I. Now you tell me here 8 into 2, but this has become determinant A. Okay, this is determinant A. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is determinant A. Matrix A, if you put this, determinant A. 8 into 2 into determinant A. But this is not the case here. If you observe carefully, D, E, F is not there here, G, H, I is there. And also, one property is the determinant. Any 2 rows or 2 columns are going to become equal, then determinant is going to become 0. That means this is going to become 0, not this. That is equal to, see, 16 into determinant A, 16 into determinant A plus 0. Determinant B is equal to 16 into determinant A plus 0. Why 0? 2 rows are equal. When 2 rows or 2 columns are equal, then the determinant is 0. Particularly this determinant is 0. But here these all are different. Okay? Now determinant A value you are having 4. That is equal to 16 into 4. That is equal to 64. This will be your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question.